With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that who introduced the system of scientific nomenclature of organisms, right? So the options given to us are Robert Whittaker, or Carolus Linnaeus, Robert Hooke, and Ernst Haeckel, right? So if we talk about the first question, which is the Robert Whittaker, right? So Robert Whittaker gave the hierarchical classification, right? Robert Whittaker, or the R.H. Whittaker, he gave the hierarchical, right? Hierarchical classification of the five kingdom, right? He gave the five kingdom classification, and the five kingdoms that was given by him were the kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plant, and Animalia, right? Then the Carolus Linnaeus, he basically introduced the system of scientific nomenclature, which was named as the binomial, right? Which was known as the binomial nomenclature, right? So the scientific nomenclature was introduced by the scientific nomenclature, the binomial nomenclature. It was introduced by the Carolus Linnaeus, where he basically, so he was considered as the father of taxonomy, right? He gave this binomial system of nomenclature. So in this system, he said that each organism has two Latin names, right? One will be one for its genus, right? One for its genus and the other for its species. So if we consider an example, right? If we consider an example, so all the frogs, right? All the frogs, they have the genus name Rana, right? And the Indian bullfrog has the species name, that's Tigrina, right? So basically he said that the binomial nomenclature includes the two names, the genus and the species, right? So it has to be written in a way that when we are typing it, it has to be in italics, and when we are writing it, right, it has to be underlined, and only the first alphabet of the genus has to be in capital, rest all the alphabets has to be in small, right? So this was the scientific nomenclature which is followed worldwide and was introduced by the Carolus Linnaeus. So this is the correct answer. If we look at the other options, so Robert Hooke, right, he discovered the cell, right? He discovered the cell. And if we talk about the Ernst Haeckel, right, so he basically supplemented the theory, right? He supplemented the work of the Charles Darwin, right? So he basically provided the clue, or we can say he worked on the evolution, right? He worked related to the evolution, right? So basically we can say that the correct answer here is option 2. That's Carolus Linnaeus introduced the system of scientific nomenclature of organisms, which is known as the binomial nomenclature, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.